All right, our big 1-2 punch of wintry weather is just beginning in the FM area, and here over the last couple of hours, we have between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch on the ground right here in South Fargo. It's beginning to get a little greasy on side roads, doing a fantastic job, though, of keeping the interstate clear. If you do have any staples to be getting, keep in mind that there may be some significant travel troubles over the next couple of days, so you may want to do things like gas up the snowblower and have the fridge stocked, and make sure that you're taking care of your pets too. Now, this is the Fargo area. Let's take a look at our Storm Team Skycam network right now down at the Dakota Magic Casino. And right here, that wind impacted by some winds from the east right now, and it's blowing through there. So some blowing and some pillow drifts showing up on various DOT cameras. And right now, out at the Hector International Airport, 19 degrees, a northeast wind at about 11 miles per hour. So not horrible, but we are going to have reduced visibilities, as you can see here, and decreasing conditions as we go through the overnight hours. It's warmer down to the south, and temperatures are steady in the teens up north, but we'll likely see some of this warmer air start to push up to the north and east as we go through the next couple of hours, part of this dynamic system. There's a lot of warnings and watches and advisories you'll see crawling across the bottom of your screen, but our entire area under a winter storm warning tonight into tomorrow. And then when round 2 hits, Thursday night into Friday, we could see blizzard conditions. More on that in a second. Right now, let's take a look at the analysis map of what's going on right now. Look at the stormy weather down to the south. Here's the storm system way down here near Texas. It's scooping up moist air. And up here, when that moisture rises up over the top of cold air, it causes some snowflakes. So this little band here, that's round 1 that's going to be making its way through. And one of the difficulties in forecasting precipitation amounts in any situation is, will these showers and storms that are developing down to the south rob our system of moisture either late tonight or tomorrow? It could happen, and that's what makes it challenging. But for now, we have bands of light snow through the valley. It becomes heavy here near Aberdeen and just to the north of Sioux Falls, and some moderate snow taking place near the capital city in North Dakota of Bismarck, North Dakota. Not much snow happening out west. This round 1 is going to continue to advance to the north and east as we go through the overnight hours. And notice where the heavier snow is. This is where we'll see some lofty totals tonight, but even up along the Highway 2 corridor, we'll have a chance of some snow. Some of us will get 2 rounds of snow. In particular, when this event works its way up tomorrow night, it's going to come with a whole bunch more wind. And the southern valley into central and northern Minnesota could see 2 rounds of accumulating snow by Friday morning. Here's how it all shapes up. Tonight, it's just going to continue to get less and less pleasant out there for travelers as the snow focuses on the eastern third of North Dakota, western and southern Minnesota. Whether you're traveling along the I-94 corridor, that I-29 corridor, it looks rough and tumble with some accumulating snow, but not a whole bunch of wind. As we go towards morning, there's round 1. It's moving out of here. We may even get a break. North winds and temperatures in the teens to near 20s, so we're steady by tomorrow morning. We'll have some snowfall accumulation by tomorrow morning to the tune of 3 inches in the far north and west to up to 8 inches in places of central and eastern North Dakota, including the FM area. Then, as we go toward the latter part of the day, here comes round 2. Notice the wind arrows turn brighter. The wind starts picking up, and this second band of snow looks to impact northeast South Dakota, the southern valley, into central and southern Minnesota, with a round of snow and wind that could create blizzard conditions all the way till Thursday night. Now, by Friday morning, the wind continues, but the snowfall should let up a little bit. Here's where I think we'll see the double slam of snow, 8 to 15 inches. I would not be surprised to hear a 20-inch report out there. 5 to 11 includes Fargo, Valley City, Lisbon, and into Lakes Country. A solid 3 to 6 inches for many of eastern North Dakota and the Northern Valley, and a few of you could even get 8 inches of snow because temperatures are so cold up there, it builds up a little faster. The Thursday blizzard warning is right now posted for west and south of the Red River Valley, but do not be surprised if that gets extended, if this system continues to go as expected. Tomorrow, we'll be stable where we are temperature-wise. Snow increases again in the afternoon and evening as temperatures begin to fall. And for those of you trying to protect livestock, the blizzard conditions will come with a ripping north or northeast wind. So provide your animals some shelter if possible. Temperatures tomorrow will be warmest south and east teens and single digits up in the Devil's Lake Basin. Sarah sent this rainbow in the middle of December. Thanks for sharing your photo with us from War Road, Minnesota. Now the planning forecast, we've got a few rough days to get through here, but by Friday afternoon, things should be quieting down a little bit. But look at the cold that takes hold to start your weekend on Saturday morning. Between 15 and 25 below, not out of the question. A little warm up for Sunday and then another shot of cold air and possibly a few flakes for New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. Still near 15 to 20 below.
Some good reminders you offered a while ago because we haven't seen something like this in a while.
Right. Got to check that snowblower.
Yeah, no kidding. Thanks, Hutch.